Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Purge Trooper from the Kenobi series. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Starting off with our minifigures, the first one that you're going to want is Imperial Crosshair, and the reason that you'll want him is for those legs. Next up, I'll be using the camera from the ARC Trooper. I think it also came on Captain Rex. For the Purge Trooper's torso, I have used Moff Gideon's and I've just turned it around. For the arms, I have taken them from this Mr. Incredible minifigure, but using the ordinary black arms just works fine. I've just done this because it adds an extra level of detail. For the pauldron, I recommend taking it from this First Order Stormtrooper. I don't quite know what the rank is, but I don't have that, so I am just going to be making mine out of paper and Sharpie. But if you do have it, it'd be a great figure to use. Finally, for the head and helmet, I've taken them from the Dark Trooper, which luckily is more common now, so this should be an easy figure to get. Combined, the figure you have should look like this, and I am pretty happy with the way it turned out. Now, to create this figure, I kind of had to base it off of some of the concept art and scenes from the trailers, as I haven't actually seen the episode that this appears in yet, because I'm recording this just after I've watched episode 2. Once again, I do think I've done an okay job, and it should be helpful to anyone searching for how to create this figure. With that said, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any ideas for any future customs I could make, feel free to drop a comment down below. Also, if you're not subscribed, I recommend you do so, because then you'll just get updated if I release any more cool customs like this one. Give this video a like if you think more people should see it, and with that said, thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers everyone. If you want to check out more Purist Custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on the playlist, which should be on the end screen right now.